At 5-number summary, we start by 5-number summary. 5-number summary of ungrouped data. So for ungrouped data 5-number summary, now we have the minimum, the abbreviation we use mean, and then we have from the minimum we have Q1, which is lower quartile, and then we have Q2. Here's Q1. We have Q2, which is the median, and then we have Q3, which is upper quartile. And then the last one, which is the maximum, which is abbreviated by the max. Right, we must identify these 5 numbers here. Now, for us to get 5-number summary, then number 1, we must get our data in an order, an ascending order or descending order. But normally we use an ascending order. So we must start by the smallest number here, which is 8, and end with the largest number, the biggest number, which is 83, in that order. Now I've arranged my data as an ordered data here. So the numbers are 16, even here they are 16. So we started by 8, 11, 15, 15, repeating itself, 21, 22, repeating itself as the most repeated number, which is the mode. We have 24, 26, 31, 33, 36, and now out of this, for our 5-number summary, we start by the minimum. So our minimum is here, so we just simply write our minimum. Our mean is 8, and then we can go quickly for our maximum because we don't need a calculator here. So we have this one, which is the maximum. So our maximum number here is 83. Then we are coming to this one. So now we must go to get the lower quartile. So the quartile one, remember the quartile, our data are divided into quarters, which is sometimes called the percentiles. So the lower quartile, now for us to get the lower quartile, we must start from the median, which is the half of the data. So the median is the middle number. This will be the middle number. This will be the middle number of a ranked data set. So this should be the middle number. So we're going to check our data here and check the middle number here. So because there are 16, now there is a formula to get this position. Position of Q2. Now on the position of Q2, so we'll simply use half of n plus 1. So in this case, we have half. Our n is the number of data. We said there are 16 in counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 numbers plus 1. This is the formula how to get the number quickly. Then now we're going to have a half of 17. So this is a multiplication here. So the half of 17, if we use your calculator, we're going to say 17 divided by 2. So we get 8.5. So the answer is 8.5. Now this is just the position. So it means if we have this comma, we're going to get a digit number 8 and 9, then we add them divided by 2. Now let's count. From 8, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is number 8. And then because it's a comma, so we include a number here. So now we must take these two numbers and add them divided by 2. So now it means our data, our Q2 is 22 plus 24 divided by 2. So 24, so we're having 22 plus 24, which is 46, divided by 2. So our Q2 is 23. Now if it's 23, now 23 would lie here. So 23. Now, but looking at this 23 is not part of the data. It's just in the middle here. So if it's in the middle here, it means now this is the half of the data. So meaning from this number 22 going there is going to be counted. Then on the other half data, we're going to start from 24 going there. But 23 is not included when you're calculating the second half. So now let's get Q1. So Q1, we must also get the position of Q1. Now for Q1, we can use the same formula of half n plus 1. So this half now is the half of the first half. So it means Q1 is the median of the first half of the median. So our median was here, then we need another half or the median of this first half on the left hand side here. So how many numbers are there? We're going to count from 22 going back. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now there are 8 numbers. So we're going to say half of 8 plus 1. So which is 9 over 2. So this will give us 4,5. So meaning it's 4,5. Then we're going to add the two numbers for number 5, number 4, number 5. So which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the number here and number here. So we need to add these two, then we divide by 2. Then that will be the Q1, which is the median of the first half. So we're going to have our Q1 as 15 plus 21 all divided by 2 equals to, now having this 15 plus 21 divided by 2, so we have 18. So 18 is just here, 18 is here. So that is will be our Q1. Now we can now go to Q3. Now after Q3, now we need the median of the second half. Now our second half will start from 24 here going that way. So now let's get our second half. So it means we can use the same formula to get they will have the same position of 4,5. So our first number will be here 24. So it's going to say 1 2 3 4. Then we're going to take this 33 and 36 and then we add them divided by 2 because that will be give us the position of that. Now we have Q3S 33 plus 36 divided by 2. Now let's see what we have. 33 plus 36 divide now we divide the answer by 2, so we're going to have 34,5. Now our number 5 number summaries: minimum, maximum, Q2, Q1, Q3. So now this will be our 5 number summary in this case.